In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you're working on a thesis, a long report, or even a book in Microsoft Word, the key to success is building everything on styles and structure, not manual formatting. Let's start with the Styles pane on the Home tab. Instead of bolding or resizing headings by hand, apply the built-in styles like Heading 1, Heading 2, and Normal. This is powerful because once your text is styled, changing the look of, say, Heading 1 in one place updates every Heading 1 throughout the document. It keeps your formatting consistent and saves a lot of time later. Using proper heading styles also unlocks the Navigation pane, found on the View tab. This gives you a live, clickable outline of your document. You can jump instantly to any section, collapse or expand levels to get the big picture, and even drag entire sections to reorder the document without losing content. It's like having a map of your work right beside you. Next, understand the difference between page breaks and section breaks. Page breaks just push content to the next page. Section breaks, set from the Layout tab, let you apply different formatting to different parts of the document. Use them when you need Roman numerals for your front matter and Arabic numerals for the main content, when a single landscape page is needed for a wide table, or when you want to restart page numbering for a new chapter. When you do this, be mindful of headers and footers. Use link to previous deliberately so each section's header, footer, and numbering behave the way you expect. Once your headings are in place, generate an automatic table of contents from the References tab. Word builds it from your heading styles, and you can update it anytime as your document evolves. The same principle applies to figures and tables. Add captions with Insert Caption on the References tab so Word numbers them consistently. Then generate a list of figures or list of tables automatically. For precise navigation inside the document, use cross-references. Link text like, see Figure 1 inch to the actual figure, table, or heading. If content moves, update fields and everything stays accurate. If your project is enormous, consider a master document to combine multiple smaller files into one controlled structure, while keeping each chapter manageable. Build with styles, structure your sections carefully, and let Word generate what it can. That's how you create a clean, navigable, professional long document with confidence.